Today we're unboxing and checking out the PS8K controller from PXN. Now this is the first ever controller with capacitive thumbsticks. And this controller supports PC, iOS and Android along with Nintendo Switch. However, it does not support PlayStation or the Xbox. But we're going to jump straight to a test for the thumbsticks because this thing's new technology is exceptional. The accuracy of these thumbsticks is unlike anything I've seen before, and this is the very first controller to ever get it. But I will say the controller itself doesn't feel as good, which is a bit of a pity. The internals are incredible, the external is not so good. But what you get in the box is your USB Type A to Type C cable, a wireless dongle, or you can direct connect to devices as well with Bluetooth. And this controller comes in black and purple. There is different variants of color, but they are for different specifications of controllers. And then you've got customization software, but this is different from usual. Normally you would download software onto a PC. This is mobile software. So you actually download it onto Android, iOS, and then you can customize the controller from that. So very unusual, but I can understand maybe why. Maybe you pick this up to play with your Nintendo Switch and you don't actually have a PC nearby. Of course, you've always got your phone, so maybe it's actually not a bad idea at all. The controller also has a bunch of programmable buttons on the back, and you might have noticed that label on the front that does peel off without leaving any marks. And then before we jump into the conclusion, I'll just leave you with some audio of the buttons being pressed. And that now leads us into the conclusion. So first of all, the performance of this thing is exceptional, like absolutely crazy, crazy good. And I'm nothing but impressed by it. So I think this thing's great. However, it feels cheap. It's a bit of a pity. There's just something not great and not premium about it. However, saying that, this controller is very well priced. So it's not exactly a negative either. I think this thing's going to last you a very long time if you pick it up. And so far, it feels just exceptional and quite unique to use so far, with it being the first ever to have these thumbsticks.